Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Paramount Automotive tailgate mounted cargo basket, available for both the 07-18 Jeep Wrangler JK as well as the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. This tailgate mounted cargo basket is the perfect way to bring along all the extra gear on your next trip, whether that's simply a day trip to the beach or maybe a multi-day adventure. Now, what I really like about this Paramount Automotive tailgate mounted cargo basket is that it's a great compromise or cross between a roof rack basket and a hitch mounted cargo basket. It kind of falls right in between the two when you don't necessarily need as much cargo carrying capacity as a full roof rack would give you. The tailgate mounted cargo basket is perfect for you because it's going to be slightly lower, which means it's easier to load and unload your gear from that basket. And because it is back here behind the Jeep and lower, well, it should give you better aerodynamics as well. It helps save you a few extra miles per gallon when you're headed down the highway. Now again, because it's up high here, well, that means it's going to give you better departure angles if you're using the cargo basket when you're off-road. It's also, well, going to save your shins from accidentally walking into that basket when it's mounted in a hitch. The other thing that I really like is that it does not require you to have a receiver hitch mounted on your Jeep, or if you do have a receiver hitch, well, it's going to leave that opened up so you can still tow a small trailer with your Wrangler or maybe use a hitch mounted bike rack. The tailgate cargo basket measures in at 39 inches wide by 18 inches deep, and the sides stand 7 inches tall to help better contain your gear when you throw it up in the basket, making it really easy to secure your cargo and strap it down. This is going to be the perfect place to throw oversized or bulky items like maybe a duffel bag, a pair of camp chairs, or maybe even your cooler for your next day on the trails. Right underneath that basket, you see we also have a great attachment point. It's going to allow you to bring along maybe a shovel or even a high lift jack. We've got two oversized wing nuts that thread right into the bottom side of the upright supports on our cargo basket. Now, as I mentioned, this is available for both the JK Wrangler and the JL Wrangler. To get this basket installed on our JL Wrangler, it is a 100% bolt-on, no drill install. It's the same for the JK, although slightly different steps. Here on our JL, we'll simply start by removing our spare tire from the back of the Jeep. Once that's out of the way, we can go ahead and remove the 8 bolts securing the factory spare tire carrier to the tailgate. Now, I find it easy enough to simply hold that spare tire carrier in one hand, slip the mounting bracket behind it, and re-secure it in place with those factory bolts. There's no need to remove any interior trim or unplug the wiring for your third brake light. Once you have the bracket installed, we can see that we have multiple mounting points for the uprights that are going to give you plenty of adjustability to set the height of the rack exactly where you want it, so you can keep it down nice and low if you like, or if you've got an oversized spare back here on the back of your Jeep, you can raise it up nice and high. Once you secure those uprights at the height that you prefer with the included hardware, finally we can come back setting the basket on top of those uprights and securing it with the 4 bolts provided. The last step is to go ahead and install those 2 oversized wing nuts that will act as our high lift jack mount or a shovel mount. The Paramount Automotive tailgate mounted cargo basket will carry up to 35 pounds of gear for you back here on the back of your Jeep. It features a great satin black, slightly textured powder coat finish and is backed by Paramount Automotive's lifetime structural warranty. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Paramount Automotive tailgate mounted cargo basket for the back of your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK or 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the basket or how to get it installed, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.